YouTubers. So there's some crack on the plaster wall or ceiling, so it's pretty annoying. So you might worry about it might falling, it might fall off some days, right? So don't worry. If you don't want to change the whole ceiling, and you might just use a little hardware called plaster wall or washer, like this. This is the drywall screw, and they can be separate. Okay, like this. Yeah, this. Basically, the idea of this little washer is just a wider flange and cut a little hole, so when you apply for the drywall compound or plaster compound, it can just go through and stick on the original walls or ceiling. So you can go like this on the crack. You can put one and just hold it both together. Depends. If it's really bad, you might need to go to this or this. Yeah, go like that. And then if they're already secure, you can apply the drywall compound or something, and then give them a really good sanding, and you'll be looking like a original one. Yeah, that's a little trick. It's called drywall washer. You can order them from whatever, Amazon or some hardware stores for this. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.